do is take your ruler or straight edge, put it horizontally on your paper, and make a horizontal line. Notice how my horizontal line is not going from edge of the paper to the edge of the paper. There was a little bit of space. In between those spaces, I'm going to create a diagonal line, then the other horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Now I'm going to add a little dot on the bottom of my paper, right in the middle, and I will create 2 diagonal lines going to that dot. In that first area that we created, I'm going to create a zigzag line stretching across. Zigzag meets that horizontal line, I'm going to create a diagonal line going towards that point that I originally made. So all of these lines will stretch all the way down and touch that small dot. Now you've made a diamond with a straight edge. The next step is to either color it using oil pastels and blending or using watercolors. Choose a color family theme located on this attachment and start from dark to light. If you want to create a dark value using watercolor, use less water and more paint. If you want to create a lighter value, add a little bit more water. The edges of my diamond will have the darkest value, and the value will be getting lighter as it goes towards the middle of the diamond. The middle of the diamond will have the lightest value.